Hello friends, welcome again my new video, and now I want to share with you how I improve my English. Okay, so first of all I want to just share with you my old days, and I want to say I want to say I couldn't understand English in my previous day, like in my beginning day, because I'm from Hindi medium, and I'm from village side. So I didn't have any kind of English background, and even my family member and friend circle and some others only talk our mother tongue, and any kind of environment related to English I didn't have. So how I improve my English, and what I did to improve my English. So I want to just share with you my previous day. Okay, in my previous day, when I was started my English journey, and these day, like in my beginning days, I couldn't understand English. Even I just started any kind of story book, I just start reading, then I reading, it's okay, but I want to just talk, understanding, it is not possible, because my English is very weak, and I'm from also Hindi medium. So how I can do these things? How I can do these things? So I have this question: if I just read English, it's like a okay, but and I thought a lot. What is meaning in these particular words? And then I decided I have to learn all the things. I decided I have to learn all the things related to English. My English is broken, and I couldn't speak any single word in my English journey, like a beginning days. I couldn't speak. But now today I can speak just little bit. I'm not say perfect, okay? Because this is my learning days, and I have been learning just 3 months, okay? So I don't say perfect, just I'm learner, same like you. So friends, I couldn't understand English, and what I have done for improve this language. So first of all, I want to love to suggest you, and I want to love to share with you. I would suggest share with you, not a suggest you, okay? Because I'm learner, I'm not a teacher, okay? So I want to just share with you my feelings and my thoughts, what I applied for improve this language. I just start reading, okay, reading, and then I started pick up these all words, which words I don't know what is the meaning, and I pick up and I wrote down in my copy, okay? Just after done this work, then I just go to the Google, and I search a particular meaning this vocabulary. Then I got it a perfect pronunciation with meaning, okay? These things I do, even today I do these things, because I need these things, okay? And if you are a Hindi medium, so you have to do these things, and these things, it will be very helpful for you in your beginning days, and not only beginning, okay, in all our English journey. When you don't understand what the correct meaning, any kind of particular vocabulary English word, so just you have to Google, okay? So I applied these things a lot, and these things help me a lot. And the next thing is I want to just share with you, okay? Watching English content. I start in my previous day watching English content, related only English content, and today even I watch English content as per my interest, because without interest these things, it will be very hard for any learner. They wants to improve English, but they only take just listen any kind of English without interestless. So I think this is where it becomes hard for any learner. So just watch, listen according to your interest. Okay, like a animated story, English podcast, English movies, English any kind of English videos, English content. So just you have to need. Okay, and first is watch, and second listen carefully. And if you don't know what this is in this video podcast, so just turn on the subtitle and listen and watch with subtitle, because subtitle, it will help you a lot for better understand. Okay, and just you listen one time, two time, just you watch one time, two time, then you have to pause this video and just try to imitate without subtitle. Okay, without subtitle. And what kind of a story this video is says, what kind of any kind of, you just listen video English content, so just try to imitate in your own words. Okay, because these things, it will help a lot for me. That's why I want to just love to share with you. Okay, so just do these things for better understand, because every learner, they don't know where I should start my English journey, and they only have to dream, I want to become a fluent English speaker, same like a native English speaker, but they don't know where I should start my English journey. That's why I want to just share with you my personal things which I apply in my English journey. Okay, and the next thing is I applied, and I'm not a, I would say, nowadays I apply these things. Okay, just making stories. You know, my English is not a very perfect level, I'm same like learner. Okay, and I do these things because I don't give my 100% for improve this language, because I have to do all the things. So time management, it's very difficult for me, but now, however, I just manage my time, I just manage some little bit time for improve this language, for speak this language. So just manage your time. Okay, and just think, start making stories. Okay, first of all, you should read any kind of a story, just read any kind of a story. And while reading, you should just read aloud, because why I want to just say you aloud means आपको बोल बोल के तेज तेज से उसको पढ़ना है. So you have to read aloud. Why I want to tell you? Because when you just read aloud, your mind is going to catch their words, okay, and pronunciation, and your mouth is just turn into the English, going to turn in English, because we are Hindi medium student, and we are mother tongues is only for perfect for our Hindi language mother tongue. So English, it will be difficult for just speak this language. So just read aloud. Okay, means when you start aloud reading, okay, then your mouth is just started turning to go English speaking, English words, pronunciation. That's why I want to just tell you. Okay, and in the very beginning day, these things, it is very difficult for every student. They belongs to Hindi medium. Okay, and they thought English is very difficult. So I would say same learner, same beginner have these things. Okay, but now if you have to dream, so you have to do these things for the better English speaking. Okay, so just do this. And the next thing is, and I want to just suggest you speaking. Okay, just stand yourself in front of mirror and start describing your whole day, what you are done in your whole day, and what you think in your whole day, and what you done your brother, sister, just start describing. Okay, not only mind, start describing with your mouth. Okay, and with expression, with a smile, because when you just speak loudly with a smile, then you feel, yes, English it's easy, English it's a language, and I think I will be able to speak this language like a fluent English speaker. So just stand yourself in the mirror and start speaking what you are doing, what you have done, and what will you do. Okay, so just start describing in front of mirror with a smile. Okay, and when you just done some wrong, like a pronunciation, a grammar mistake, and word not pronounced, so this is not a very big challenge, this is not a very big mistakes, because mistakes make a perfect. Okay, and without mistakes this is impossible. So mistakes make a perfect, and don't wait perfect time. When I learn all the things, then I have to start speaking, because my beginning days and I unable to speak this language. So when I just learn all the things, grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, then I will to speak this language in front of anyone, in front of mirror. So these things, I would say, it's a totally wrong, because in this life there is no any kind of perfection. If you wait perfection, when I done myself a perfect level, when I start English speaking, so I would say just stop these things. Okay, and just start learn and start speaking, I would say. And I would love to suggest you, I would love to share with you today onwards. Okay, so friends, when I done these things, then I able to understand English. Then I would say I able to English like a English learner. I'm not say very perfect, but I able to understand English. So friends, just do these things, which things I give you. Okay, so just start learning English. If you have to dream, speak this language, speak English language like a fluent English speaker. Okay, so just do start today onwards. I would say start today onwards, and don't wait perfect time. There is no any perfect time. Today your perfect time, and today you have to do. So friends, we'll meet till the next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day, bye bye.